Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we are looking at the Matchbox Camo cars. Now, these cars are all camouflaged, and comparing them to the Hot Wheels release that was released also this year and about 2-3 years ago, I say that these came out better than Hot Wheels. Now, I'm missing one of them. I'm actually missing the Land Rover. Unfortunately, these vehicles do not come with a list on the back of them, which quite honestly sucks, but let's move forward a little bit. But I was able to find the other ones, and I think they look great. So I'm gonna open these up since the packages are all messed up. So here we have the Jeep Compass. Next we have the Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. I picked up two of these because the camo's actually different on both of them, which I thought was really neat. We're going to take a look at this one first, which I think these came out really nice, and I'm very hopeful to find some more. These actually might go into the Matchbox military. I think they would have a good home, and the best part is they have hitches. There's the other one. Next we have the Hummer H2 Concept. Next we have the Blizzard Buster. This casting's pretty cool. Just one of those castings that you can't hate. Reminds me of an older casting from years ago. And last is the Yamaha Rhino. And like how I said, if I find the Land Rover, I'll actually add it to this video if I find it in time. But the chances are very slim because that vehicle, for whatever reason, is highly collectible. Oh, there we go. It's pretty cool. The interior is actually camoed too. Very cool. Alright, and there we have it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.